Namaste everyone. In this video, we will discuss how a Carnatic student should start his journey in Carnatic vocals. So basically, a student who wanted to learn Carnatic music should sit on a plain floor on a piece of mat, and never he or she should sit on a chair, something like that. It should be always sitting on the floor. And also, while we are singing, like while the student is singing, the head should be straight, it should not be down, because if you are keeping your head down, the voice will get strained, because your head weight also will come on your voice, and then your voice will get strained. So whenever you are singing, your head should be straight, or else you have to point upwards, so that your head weight will not be coming on to your voice while you are singing. Thank you.